Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a simple calculator in Android, and to do that, first we have to come to the XML file for the layout, and here we have to delete this hello world. So we are going to add a layout in this constraint layout called a table layout. So we're going to say table layout, and the width it has to match parent, and the height has to wrap content, and gravity has to be on the center. So here we have to add some constraints. So we are going to add a table row, and the width and the height has to match parent and wrap content. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste it here. So here I'll be able to add uh, the buttons. So here I'll say button, and here it has to, let's say match parent and up content like that. So you have to add a text, write one, um, the size of the text, let's make it 20. So we can just copy this one and paste. So we're going to copy here and paste it down here. So we have to make the gravity of this table row to be at the center. So say center. So you can see that it's not the center, and we have to make the margin to be at least 5 dp. So say 5 dp. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste it down here. here as well. Now we will need to add uh, 3 other rows like this one, so that we can add numbers into these patterns. So to make it easy, what we are going to do is we are going to copy this table row from here down to here. So you can just press Ctrl C, or you can do the manual way of right clicking, but I just press Ctrl C and I'll come down here and Ctrl V. So I'll also do the same to add another row. Come down here and do Ctrl V. And to add the last row, I'll just come down here as well and do Ctrl V. Now we'll need to access this pattern. So here it's 1, and down here it's supposed to be 2, and down here it's supposed to be 3, and here it's supposed to be 4, and here it is supposed to be 5. Yes, boss. The ball. Yeah. And here it's supposed to be 5. Here it is supposed to be 6, and here it's supposed to be 7, and here it's supposed to be 8, here it's supposed to be 9, and here, so just click there, and it's here it's supposed to be 0. So I just need to bring it down a little. Now on this button we have to put add like this. You can just put a plus sign, and here let's put a subtract sign. Let's add another row. Okay, so here let's put a multiplication sign like this, and here let's put a division sign. So here an equal sign. Now here at the top we have to put a text view. So you can just come here and get this one and drop it here. So like this. We can have to come back to the code, so we can just left click here at split. So this one is here. Add some constraints. So we have to make this text view at the center. So we can say gravity center. We have to increase its size, so we can say text size. So let's make it 20 as well. So for visibility, let's make it its background to battery screen. So we have to say background and make it let's select water first, then you can come here. So you have to come here and custom, and you can pick our grid. So, yes.